It's Bill here from Melbourne City Maintenance. We are in Albert Park and the client has asked us to do some internal and external painting of this beautiful old home, where recently she had her kitchen floorboards repolished and made to look like brand new, and she felt that it was time that we also painted and freshened up the rest of the windows in the kitchen, as well as the walls, which needed some work prior to being repainted. And we were going to remove this particular feature wall because it was old and dated, and then we were also going to paint the skirting boards, the architraves, the ceiling. But first we had to protect all the surfaces, the new floor with drop sheets and the new kitchen, and we removed the lights so that we can paint around them. And you can see the difference in the two colors between old and new is very subtle, so not a big difference, but in the end it looks really sharp. Clean lines, lovely and bright and fresh, good for another 10 or 15 years, and really protects the surfaces in this house and looks really amazing. And a joy to be in this house and sit in here and enjoy dinner with the family. Beautiful kitchen. Then we also replaced rod and weatherboards outside on the garage on the second level, and there was quite a few rod and weatherboards. We removed the flaking paint, sanded all those weatherboards to make sure that we removed anything that was going to cause a problem later on. We resealed all the weatherboards with caulking, filled and punched all the nail holes. We had to apply for a permit and traffic management plan to close the road because we were going to use a boom lift to get to the difficult to reach inaccessible areas because the windows were slightly too high. So in order to paint them properly, we needed to make sure that we were on the boom lift quite high up, about 8 meters off the ground, and then we can easily attend to those windows and paint them and make them look fresh and make the rear of the house look awesome again.